Want strength back after 60? Eat these 7 cheap foods. Age may slow the body down, but strength can rise again. With the right foods each day, your power will remain. Don't forget to like and subscribe, my friend. Health Secrets here will guide you till the end. Are you over 60 and feeling like your strength isn't what it used to be? Don't worry, you are not alone. After 60, muscle loss, fatigue, and low energy are common. But here is the good news. You don't need expensive supplements or fancy diets to fight back. In fact, there are 7 cheap and easily available high-protein foods that can rebuild muscle, improve energy, and restore your strength. So, stay with me until the end of this video to discover these foods and learn how you can add them to your daily routine to live stronger and healthier. Why muscle loss happens. After 60. As we age, a natural condition called sarcopenia causes gradual muscle loss. By age 60, most adults lose up to 1 to 2% of muscle mass each year if no preventive action is taken. This results in weakness, slower walking speed, difficulty climbing stairs, and an increased risk of falls. The main causes are reduced physical activity, hormonal changes, and lower protein absorption. But here's the encouraging part. Muscle loss is not permanent. With the right foods and light exercises, seniors can rebuild their strength naturally. You don't need expensive protein powders. Many cheap, everyday foods provide exactly what your body needs to fight muscle loss. 7 cheap, high-protein foods to rebuild strength. 1. Eggs, the power breakfast. Eggs are one of the most affordable and complete sources of protein. One egg contains around 60 to 7 grams of protein, plus vitamin B12, which boosts energy. They also provide healthy fats and choline for brain health. Best eaten boiled, scrambled, or in omelets. 2 eggs at breakfast give your muscles a strong start. 2. Lentils, protein on a budget. Lentils, or dayal, are an inexpensive plant-based protein powerhouse. 1 cup offers nearly 18 grams of protein, plus fiber to aid digestion. They are also rich in iron, which supports red blood cell health. Lentils can be enjoyed in soups, stews, or simple curries. They are filling, healthy, and extremely cost-effective. 3. Greek yogurt or plain yogurt. Greek yogurt is packed with 10-12 grams of protein per cup. It also provides calcium to keep bones strong after 60. Probiotics inside yogurt improve gut health and digestion. Eat it as a snack with fruits, nuts, or honey. Affordable and versatile, yogurt is excellent for daily use. 4. Peanut butter. Peanut butter is a low-cost source of protein and healthy fats. Just 2 tablespoons give about 8 grams of protein. It's calorie-dense, making it perfect for seniors who need more strength and energy. Spread it on whole-grain bread, mix into oatmeal, or add to smoothies. Supports heart health and provides long-lasting energy. 5. Chicken, thighs, and drumsticks. Chicken is one of the cheapest animal proteins available. Thighs and drumsticks are often cheaper than breast meat, but just as nutritious. A small serving provides 20 to 25 grams of protein. Grill, bake, or boil for a simple high-protein meal. Builds lean muscle and helps repair tissues. 6. Beans, kidney, black, or chickpeas. Beans are an affordable, protein-rich staple for seniors. 1 cup offers about 15 grams of protein plus fiber for digestion. They are also loaded with minerals like magnesium and potassium, which boost energy and muscle function. Use them in soups, salads, or alongside rice. They're cheap, filling, and easy to prepare. 7. Oats, the energy builder. Oats are not very high in protein alone, but when combined with milk or yogurt, they create a strong protein meal. They stabilize blood sugar levels and provide lasting energy throughout the day. Oats also contain fiber to support heart and digestive health. A bowl of oats for breakfast is a budget-friendly way to fuel muscles. Part 3. How to use these foods daily. 150 words. Breakfast. Oats with milk or yogurt, plus 2 boiled eggs. Snack. Peanut butter sandwich or a bowl of Greek yogurt with fruit. Lunch. Lentil soup with rice or beans mixed with vegetables. Dinner. Chicken drumsticks with salad or lentils with whole grain bread. By combining these foods daily, you can easily reach your protein requirements without overspending. Add light exercises like walking, yoga, or resistance bands, and you'll see even better results. Remember, strength after 60 isn't about expensive pills. It is about smart eating and consistent habits. Strength after 60 isn't gone forever. With the right foods, you'll feel better than ever. Eggs, beans, yogurt, and oats. Give your body the power it wrote. So remember, muscle loss is not the end. You can rebuild your strength naturally with these 7 affordable foods. Eat them daily, stay active, and feel your energy return. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more health tips designed especially for you. Stay strong, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.